and I'm really big on kind of following where the positive energy is, and I get a lot of that from music.
There's this moment of a community, and we bond, and we share this moment where my experience kind of becomes their experience, and it like combines, and we share this really beautiful thing.
I think that music is a really powerful thing. For me, so many times music has kind of saved me, if you will. It's been something that's been consistent no matter what's going on in my life.
It's just a way for me to kind of speak my truth and let out my emotions, and it's incredibly cathartic, and that's why I continue to do it.
One of the reasons why I like playing what I do, though, is it makes me feel good. I think music is a great expression, a great way of kind of releasing a lot of angst, a lot of weight on your shoulders. Whether people listen to it or not, I find it very therapeutic. And other people seem to like it too. And that makes me feel really good.
Music has the power to spread whatever message you want it to, and you can share it with whoever you want.
You wanna make it, you want it to be heard and be recognized, you know? So that's what's so great about making music for and about the city, is it just gives you that connection to it. Especially when you're playing the music at like a local venue. It doesn't get more Toronto than that, you know?
And I think that's where the power of song and songwriting comes from, because like our stories aren't necessarily our own as individuals, but it's something that we can share.
It's mind-blowing. And then I as a traveling singer-songwriter, I get to meet so many people, go to places I've never been before, and the power of music is really truly something remarkable.
And I love what I do, and I don't do it for money, and I don't do it for any kind of exterior reward. I get off on it because it makes me feel good, and it's a great form of expression. And I think that's why a lot of the underground musicians do what they do.